Hello guys, Global Studio here today for your Solidworks tips and tricks. In this video, we will learn how to model a cam roller. Without any delay, let's get started. Press Ctrl N and click to this part and click OK. And then take this front plane and go to sketch. Create one circle like this and give the diameter 200 mm. You can give any dimensions here, but I will go with the dimension 200. Then go to features, take the extruded boss or base option and then select the direction as mid plane, then give the depth as 100 mm and then click OK. Take the chamfer option, select the two edges of the cylinder and then give the chamfer dimension as 10 mm and then click OK. After this, offset the top plane around 150 mm and click OK. Take this plane one and create a sketch here. Go to normal view, take the center line option and create a vertical line like this. Click enter and create one more center line like this. Take the spline option and create a spline like this. Join these two end points with a line and then make this line as horizontal. After that, give this dimension as 40 mm and then this dimension give it as 20 mm. And you can see one arrow here. Click to this arrow and make this arrow horizontal. The same way you have to follow the steps here also. Click to this arrow and make this horizontal. Give this dimension as 10 mm and then this dimension also give it as 10 mm. After this step, we have to give the dimension for this. To give this dimension, we have to calculate the perimeter of this cylinder. How we can calculate the perimeter of the cylinder? There is one formula, 2 into pi into r. Pi into r is 100 mm and then divide it by 2 and then copy this value and paste it here and then click enter. After giving this dimension, move these points and make a proper arc. I will modify this dimension to 20 and this dimension to 10. Make this dimension as 5 and this one also make it as 5 and adjust the points and make it as a smooth curve like this. Like this. I hope this is fine. And after this, take the mirror option and select this spline and then select this axis and then select this axis and click OK. Take this offset entities option and then select these two arcs and create an offset of 10 mm and then click OK. And then you can close the sketch like this and then exit the sketch. Take the wrap option, select the sketch and then select the cylinder. Give the depth of cut as 5 mm and then select the deboss option. You can do two options, one is emboss and one is deboss. First we will try deboss option. As you can see here, we created a perfect slot, and if you try these emboss options, you will get the result like this. And now we will switch it back to deboss option and then click OK. take the chamfer option, give this chamfer dimension as 2 mm and then select all the edges. Like this, and then click enter. You can hide this plane. As you can see guys, we have created a perfect cam slot in a cylinder. I hope you guys learned how to do the cam slot in a cylinder. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet again in the next video with new tips and tricks. Thank you. Bye bye.